A video for a while, but I thought you might like to see this. It's a G11, so it's a 600, smoking quite a bit and leaking everywhere. As you can see, it's oiling up on the tops of the pistons. But what I found, if you look at those piston rings, they're all in line. They shouldn't be like that. They should be 120 degrees to each other. So we do that, and the other side, we've got one there, and one there, so they're pretty much in line as well. What I'll do, I'll take the rings off and gap them in the bore and see what we got. The only other problem I found, that's all stripped, so we'll have to repair that. So what I'll do, I'll gap the rings, hopefully put it back together and get back to you.